In the digital era, one platform has completely transformed the way we interact with content and make purchases. Yes, we're talking about TikTok. TikTok is much more than just a hub for catchy dances and viral challenges. It's a revolution in the realm of social media. A revolution that has completely redefined how we engage with online content. TikTok's unique features, like its algorithm that learns and adapts to user preferences, make it a personalized content buffet. It's like a never-ending, tailor-made playlist of short, snappy videos that cater to our interests. And let's not forget the vast user demographics. With over 2 billion downloads worldwide, TikTok boasts a diverse community of creators and consumers, spanning different age groups, cultures, and interests. But TikTok isn't just shaking up the way we consume content. It's also redefining how we shop online. With features like shoppable ads and integrated e-commerce, TikTok has become a virtual shopping mall where users can discover and buy products without leaving the app. It's no longer just about watching and sharing videos, it's about experiencing and purchasing. The platform's innovative features, coupled with its high user engagement, make it a lucrative space for brands and marketers. It's no surprise that TikTok has become a hotspot for online purchases. The platform's Shop Now buttons, integrated links, and product tags make it easier than ever for users to go from watching a video to making a purchase. TikTok's revolution isn't just changing the game for consumers, it's also opening up new opportunities for content creators. With affiliate marketing, influencers can monetize their content in a meaningful and authentic way, turning their creativity and influence into a source of income. So, what does this mean for digital marketers and influencers? It means that TikTok is not just a stage for showcasing talent, it's also a marketplace, a platform where creativity and commerce meet. And with such high engagement rates, TikTok is becoming a goldmine for digital marketers and influencers alike. Now let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, a strategy that has been gaining momentum on TikTok. Imagine a digital marketplace where you're not only a consumer but also a promoter, earning a piece of the profit every time you persuade someone to make a purchase. Welcome to the realm of affiliate marketing. It's a method of online selling where you, the affiliate, promote products or services provided by a company and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it as a win-win scenario. The company gains a sale they might not have had otherwise, and you earn a commission without having to worry about creating a product or managing inventory. It's a simple yet effective way to generate income online. But how does it work exactly? Well, it all starts with choosing a product or service that you genuinely love and believe in. Once you're affiliated with the company, you'll receive a unique referral link. This link is your golden ticket. It's what you'll share on your TikTok videos, in your profile, or even in your video captions. When your followers click on this link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. Whether you're a lifestyle influencer with millions of followers, or a tech enthusiast with a few hundred, you have the potential to earn. The key is authenticity and a keen understanding of your audience's needs and wants. By promoting products or services that resonate with your followers, you establish trust, which in turn leads to higher engagement and more sales. Affiliate marketing on TikTok is particularly potent due to the platform's dynamic nature and highly engaged user base. TikTok's short, captivating videos are the perfect vehicle for product reviews, tutorials, and recommendations, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into engaging content. So, with the right approach, affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a game changer. But how does one stand out in this competitive platform? Cracking the code to successful affiliate marketing on TikTok may seem daunting, but it's not impossible. In the vast ocean of TikTok content, the key to standing out is to be authentic, creative, and strategic. Let's analyze some of the techniques you can use to leverage affiliate marketing on this platform. Product reviews are a great way to start. By offering honest and engaging reviews of products you genuinely love, you can build trust with your audience. Take, for instance, the story of a young influencer who started reviewing tech gadgets. His honest, in-depth reviews quickly caught the attention of tech enthusiasts, and his affiliate links started to generate a steady income stream. Next, consider tutorials. Tutorials offer value to your audience by teaching them something new. For example, a beauty influencer found success by creating makeup tutorials using specific products. She seamlessly integrated affiliate links into her content, leading her followers directly to the product she was using. Her strategy was simple but effective: teach, inspire, and subtly promote. Then, there are recommendations. When you recommend a product or service you've used and benefited from, your followers are more likely to trust your judgment. An influencer who was a fitness enthusiast started recommending workout gear he used daily. His authentic enthusiasm for the products he promoted resonated with his followers, leading to high conversion rates. Of course, these are just some of the strategies you can use. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination allows. Remember, the key is to provide value, be authentic, and engage with your audience. Take the case of a fashion influencer who started off small. She used her unique sense of style to create engaging content and strategically integrated affiliate marketing. Over time, she not only built a strong following but also turned her passion into a profitable business. These success stories are not anomalies. They are examples of ordinary individuals who utilize the power of TikTok and affiliate marketing effectively. They recognized the potential of this platform, and with a little creativity and authenticity, they turned it into a profitable venture. Indeed, these influencers are proof that with creativity and authenticity, you can turn TikTok into a profitable platform. As we look ahead, the potential of TikTok affiliate marketing for influencers and brands is immense. The platform has already sparked a seismic shift in how we engage with content and make purchases online, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Let's revisit some of the key points we've discussed. We've seen how affiliate marketing can be leveraged on TikTok to generate income. We've looked at strategies to stand out in a crowded online marketplace, and we've explored how product reviews, tutorials, and recommendations can be used to promote affiliate products on TikTok. We've also heard some inspiring success stories of TikTok influencers earning substantial commissions through savvy affiliate marketing. Now let's gaze into our crystal ball and ponder the future of TikTok affiliate marketing. As more and more brands recognize the power of TikTok, we can expect to see an increase in the number of affiliate marketing opportunities available on the platform. The trend towards personalization is also likely to continue, with consumers increasingly seeking out authentic, tailored content. This means that influencers who can deliver personalized content and recommendations will be in high demand. And let's not forget about the technology. As TikTok continues to innovate and introduce new features, influencers and marketers will need to stay up to date and adapt their strategies accordingly. For example, we might see more advanced analytics tools, enabling more precise targeting and measurement of affiliate marketing campaigns. We can also expect to see increased regulation around affiliate marketing on social media platforms, including TikTok. This could mean more transparency for consumers, but also more responsibilities for influencers and marketers. In this rapidly evolving landscape, adaptability is key. Those who can keep up with the changes, who can learn and adapt, will be the ones who thrive. So as we move forward, remember this. The future of TikTok affiliate marketing is bright, it's exciting, and it's full of opportunities. The TikTok affiliate marketing landscape is evolving rapidly, and those who adapt will reap the benefits. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge, it's time to put it into action. Imagine the possibilities, the thrill of crafting your unique content, the excitement as you see your follower count rise, and the satisfaction of knowing you're not just another face in the crowd, but a pioneer in the TikTok affiliate marketing realm. Take this opportunity to explore, experiment, and experience the dynamic world of TikTok. Put your creativity to work and let your voice be heard. Remember, every product review, tutorial, or recommendation you share could be the one that sparks a connection and drives a sale. And as you embark on this journey, we're here to support you every step of the way. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insider tips, strategies, and success stories that will help you master the art of digital marketing. So go ahead, take the leap into TikTok affiliate marketing, and don't forget to share your journey with us.